This is made by Dr. B, Dr. Burland, Dr. B Solutions. And why is it great? Because a lot of older adults have a problem with dexterity, so you can really hold on to this handle. And the bristles are extremely soft, and they really, really get under the gum line. And if it looks like it could be used on a denture, well, you're right, it can. What makes this unique is this toothbrush can be used on your own teeth, and it can also be used with your denture to clean your denture. You can clean your tissues in your mouth with it, your gums, your dentures, and then you keep it clean. You rinse it under the water. You could put it in the dishwasher. I don't think people realize that you could put your toothbrushes in the dishwasher once a week, which I do. This is the Willow device, the robot. This is the toothpaste and the water to help you rinse. And this little tube here goes into the sink. You put the mouthpiece. There's an on and off button, and that's all you have to worry about. So I'm going to do the bottom first. There's nothing to spit out. It rinses your mouth with this little, and then all the water comes out of this little tube. So that's it. It's very, very, very simple and very effective. Love it.
And so it is a predetermined time then, right? As far as how long it works on the lower and the upper level?
Right, and then you just flip it for the upper, but it brushes all your teeth. You feel it brushing. You feel the soft silicone mouthpiece goes in, all those bristles move around, and then you feel the nice stream of water. You can make the water warm, and then it flushes all of the toothpaste that's very mild right out into the sink, and you don't have to spit. There's nothing in my mouth right now. It's for people who bite, who can't participate in brushing themselves. Okay. So it's really a great product, and it's coming out on the market the beginning of next year. And WILLO, so willow.com for more information. They already have their website set up, and there's some great graphics on there and information about the product. But it's really a fabulous product. It's really great for kids too, kids that have disabilities,